Hello and welcome everyone. In this video we are going to learn about typography basic. So if you new to this channel, make sure you subscribe my channel. So let's start this video. Now what is typography? Typography is the art of arranging text to make it legible and appealing. It encompasses choosing fonts, ensuring proper spacing, establishing visual hierarchy and enhancing readability. Now we talk about understanding the difference font versus typeface. So, typeface defined a typeface refer to family font that share common design characteristics. For example, Arial is a typeface that include various styles like bold and italic. Font example: a font is a specific style within a typeface such as Arial, bold, or Arial italic. It represents the actual visual presentation of the text in a certain weight and style. Now, main font category: serif font, sans serif font, script font. Serif font, classic and elegant. Sans serif font, clean and modern. Script font, artistic and expressive. Font pairing: good pairing. A well chosen font combination enhances visual harmony and maintains consistency. For instance, pairing a sans serif heading with a serif body text improve readability and elevate design quality. Bad pairing: avoid using clashing fonts that compete for attention. For example, combining overlay decorative fonts can lead the confusion and reduce overall effectiveness, making the text hard to read. Now, hierarchy in typography. Understanding text hierarchy is crucial for effective communication. Using different level for heading, body text, and caption guide that the reader's eye and emphasize key information. Spacing matters. Bad spacing. Cramped text can lead to confusion and frustration for readers. Poor spacing affect readability, making content feel overwhelming and hard to follow, thus diminishing the overall message. Good spacing. Proper spacing enhance clarity and improve flow. Well-spaced text allow readers to absorb information more easily, creating a smoother reading experience that keep them engaged with the content. Now, alignment tips: left alignment, center alignment, right alignment. Clean left left alignment, clean and readable. Center alignment, balanced and focused. Right alignment, unique and modern. Now talk about color and contrast. Dark on light. Using dark text on a light background enhance readability. This combination help to create a clean, inviting look that is easy to read in various lighting conditions. Light on dark. Light text on a dark background provides a striking effect of offering high contrast that capture attention. This style is perfect for creating dramatic, elegant design while ensuring clarity. Now, common mistakes you should avoid in typography. Too many fonts. Using multiple fonts can confuse reader and dilute your message impact. Second, script overuse. Overusing script font can make your design look unprofessional and hard to read. Bad spacing. Poor spacing between letters and lines can dispute flow and readability significantly. Small text. Text that is too small reduce readability and frustrate your audience. Poor contrast. Insufficient contrast between text and background hinders readability and accessibility. All caps. Using all caps for body text can be overwhelming and difficult to read. Pro tips: mastering typography involves practical strategies, utilizing Google Font for diverse options. Maintain an ideal line length, ensuring a minimum 16 pixel text size, and check for mobile responsiveness. Practice exercise. In this hand-on activity, you will choose your heading and body font to design a poster applying the typography principle learned in this presentation. Now, thank you for watching this video till end. If you want more this type of video, please comment me and subscribe this channel. Thank you.